Hello everyone, and welcome. In today's session, we're going to talk about something extremely useful for freelancers, online shoppers, and digital workers. How to create a PayPal account step by step with full details. PayPal is one of the world's most widely used online payment platforms. Whether you're receiving freelance payments or making purchases online, knowing how to use PayPal can make your life easier. Section 1. What is PayPal? PayPal is a digital wallet, an online payment system that allows you to send and receive money, shop online, and make secure transactions without directly using your bank or card every time. Key benefits of PayPal: send and receive money worldwide. Safe and secure online payments can link with your debit, credit card or bank account. Trusted by millions globally. Section 2. What you need to open a PayPal account. To create a PayPal account, you'll need a valid email address, a debit or credit card, Visa or MasterCard, bank account details for receiving money, proof of identity in some countries for verification. Section 3. Step-by-step guide to creating your PayPal account. Visit the official PayPal website, www.paypal.com. Click on Sign Up. Choose the type of account: personal account for individual use, business account for freelancers, online sellers, or businesses. Enter your personal information: name, email address, password. Choose your country. Note: PayPal is not directly available in Pakistan. Verify your email address. Check your inbox and click the verification link PayPal sends you. Link your debit, credit card, enter card number, expiry date, and CVV. PayPal will temporarily charge a small amount for verification, which is refunded later. Optional: link your bank account, needed for receiving funds or withdrawing money. Section 4. PayPal and Pakistan. What's the issue? Unfortunately, PayPal does not officially operate in Pakistan. But what can you do? Use a PayPal account through a trusted friend or relative living in a supported country like UAE, USA, UK. Some people use virtual PayPal accounts via third-party services, risky and not recommended for serious work. Section 5. Safety tips. Use a strong and unique password. Never share your login details. Be cautious of phishing emails pretending to be from PayPal. Always double-check the website URL should be https://www.paypal.com. Conclusion. So that was your complete beginner's guide to opening a PayPal account, step by step. If you're working online or freelancing, having a PayPal account is a big plus. Even if it's not directly available in your country, there are still ways to use it responsibly.